This is Cherie for Just Nailed It, or you can call me Cherie Lynn, whichever you prefer. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing a swatch and review of part of the collection of Sinful Colors Neons for 2018. I'm just missing, the purple one. I have the hot pink, which is called Bird of Paradise. The green is called Palm Down. The orange is Off Topic. Or wait a minute. Off Tropic. I don't have the purple, unfortunately. On my swatch wheel, I have a coat of whipped topping, which dries black as a Candy Johnson polish. I do love this. Normally I would have on my top coat by Sinful. I'm a Sinful kind of gal for the nail polish. We are going to be doing a swatch of these. I'm going to start with the pink. I do think these are really pretty colors. I do wish the green and the purple were brighter. They're kind of... This to me does not really consist of neon. I love the color, but you know, rule of thumb with neons is wear them over white. So don't forget the rule of thumb there. Make sure you wipe off one side of your brush. Take it all the way to the top. Paint this just like you would your nail. I am going to do more strokes than normally on my nail. On my nail, I only do 3. Cap the edges. I'm going to go in for the green. The Palm Down 2464 is the number. I hope you like this. I'm going to start regularly having videos out on Saturdays. And I don't know if I'm going to do Thursday or Tuesday. I'm going to try to start doing 2 videos a week to have some consistency for my channel. If that works for you, let me know down in the comment section. These are really pretty. They are really, really pretty. I do have this here, which will be for another video in another color. So please stay tuned for that. Neon colors do dry on the matte side. You can either use a matte top coat with them or a glossy. I am going in for a second coat on my colors. I have a nail polish holder that I bought from Wish. I should have that out and be using it, but I don't. And I do have a tendency to knock bottles over. Kind of clumsy like that. They are self-leveling. I don't see any streaking involved. 2 coats and you're done. There's some gorgeous colors. I really love them. I don't think the camera does them justice. Especially the orange. The orange is very pretty. Very, very pretty. Well, I am going to top coat these off camera and call this a day on this video. I hope you enjoyed this. Hope this helps you if you're going to buy the Sinful Neon collection. I just wish I had the purple. I'm sorry. I thank you for coming. Please click subscribe and the bell. They are free. All you gotta do is watch. The bell will give you notifications of all future videos. Please leave a comment if you'd like to. I do answer all personally. Have a blessed day. Thank you.